What's up, guys? It's Sonoma HVAC. Going to talk about Cornwell tools, jrf72ha. It's 72 tooth flex head 3H ratchet. It's a pretty nice ratchet. I've had it for a month or two. I'm really impressed with it. I'm not a big fan of the handles, but it's not too bad. It's good size. Um, I actually really like it. This ratchet. It's slight lower tooth count than Snap-on, Mac, and all that. But I mean, the other Cornwell ratchets that they have, it just don't seem as smooth as this one. Um, it's not floppy. It is not locking, but it's not loose either. I know over time it probably will, but all I can do is tighten that. But I've used it on several occasions and put some torque on it, and so I'm impressed with it. Um, it's a good finish. Um, it should be a good product for Cornwell if you're a fan. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching.